Hello, hello. Do you know this letter?
Hello, hello.
Let's learn it together.
This letter is A. A, A, A.
Big A, big A.
Little A, little A.
Do you know how to write it?
Do you know how to write it?
Let's try it now.
Look at that. Wow!
What are some words that start with A?
Apple, ant, astronaut.
These words start with A.
Can you say this letter?
Can you name the things that start with A?
Hello, hello. Do you know this letter? A is the letter.
Now you know this letter.